morning. It is time now to look at the weather report for tonight. My name is Mollen Keyana. Now, it has been a rainy evening across most of the areas within Uganda today, especially across the northern region and parts of central Uganda. We're also looking at a similar system even tonight for most areas within the north, as well as extending to midwestern Uganda. And we've been looking at a satellite analysis for this evening, as well as what it will go through into the night. We're now looking at the rain belt that has been farther away north of our country, that has moved a little bit downwards. So that means that it is covering much of the north, also to parts of eastern and central. So that did bring us some rains for most of the areas. We also have southeasterly winds that are coming in from the Indian Ocean towards the country. Now, a combination of that is what is keeping us with wet weather activities. Tomorrow in the morning, according to our forecast, we're looking at rains for the Lake Victoria Basin as well as parts of central. And also we do expect that for eastern Uganda, we will start off with mostly a mix of clouds and sunshine, and that will be across several places. Similar weather is also forecast for the Western Strait. And if we move on to the northern part of Uganda, we're likely to have those rains starting off for the Karamoja region, extending all the way up to central northern Uganda. The rest of the region will have mostly sunny intervals. Now, later in the afternoon, we'll continue to see those rains developing for the Lake Victoria Basin as well as central. Warm weather still forecast for Nakasongola at 31 degrees. We do expect Kampala to be at 29 degrees. Now, looking at the eastern part of the country, we'll see those rains developing again in the afternoon with temperatures in 30 to 31 degrees Celsius. The western part of the country, Midwestern, will have those rains continuing. Masindi will be at 27. We're also looking at rainy weather forecast, Sese, and also southwestern Uganda will continue with mostly sunny intervals at 30 degrees for Mbarara. Now, the northern part of the country, Karamoja, will continue with rains, same for central northern Uganda, but also we see a pickup in wet weather activities for the rest of the region, and temperatures will be at 30 degrees centigrade for most of the areas. Some of the cities that we have for you beyond Uganda, we are forecasting sunny conditions for Dubai, very, very hot weather over there at 41, and even hotter than that for Cairo will be at 42 degrees with sunny conditions, and a chilly day is forecast for Nairobi at 26 degrees. That brings us to the end of tonight's weather report. Thank you so much for joining us. My name is Mollen Keyana. I want to wish you a good night.